Today, YouTube is a global platform with over 2 billion logged-in users each month. But how did it all begin? Let's take a journey back to the origins of this revolutionary website. In the early 2000s, the internet was evolving rapidly. Social media was in its infancy, and online video sharing was a cumbersome process. Enter three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim. Chad, Steve, and Jawed met while working at PayPal. They were inspired by the difficulties they faced sharing videos online after a dinner party in San Francisco in January 2005. They created a dating website called TuneIn, but there wasn't anyone visiting the website, and out of desperation they even pay young women to visit the site and make it engaging. But that didn't work either. This frustration led them to think about creating a simple, user-friendly video sharing platform. In February 2005, they registered the domain name youtube.com and began developing the site in a small garage. Their vision was clear: to create a platform where anyone could upload and share videos with the world. On April 23, 2005, the first ever YouTube video was uploaded by Jawed Karim, titled "Me at the Zoo." The 18-second clip featured Karim at the San Diego Zoo.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. And the cool thing about these guys is that they have...
And it marked the humble beginnings of what would become a digital revolution. Despite its simple start, YouTube quickly gained traction. By November 2005, the site had its first viral video, a Nike advertisement featuring Brazilian soccer star Ronaldinho. This video reached millions of views and caught the attention of major companies and investors. In November 2005, Sequoia Capital invested $3.5 million in the budding platform. With this investment, YouTube expanded its infrastructure, allowing for more users and higher quality content. By the summer of 2006, YouTube was attracting 100 million video views per day and uploading 65,000 new videos daily. This rapid growth didn't go unnoticed. Tech giants were keenly observing YouTube's rise, and in November 2006, Google acquired YouTube for a staggering $165 billion in stock. Under Google's wing, YouTube continued to flourish. The platform introduced new features like video monetization, which allowed content creators to earn revenue from their videos. This innovation paved the way for the birth of the influencer culture and countless careers for YouTubers around the globe. From beauty gurus to gaming streamers,
How's it going, everyone? My name is and
YouTube became a launching pad for internet celebrities. Over the years, YouTube has evolved significantly, introducing live streaming, YouTube Originals, and YouTube Premium. It has become a platform not just for entertainment, but also for education, activism, and global communication. Today, YouTube stands as a testament to the power of an idea born from frustration. It's a platform that has democratized content creation and empowered voices worldwide. And it all started with three friends in a garage, a simple vision, and a video of elephants at the zoo. As YouTube continues to grow and adapt, one thing remains clear: its impact on the digital landscape is undeniable and ever-evolving. As the story of YouTube is hard to believe, then you will surprise of how TikTok came to be.